So how do you combine being and doing? The closest I've found to a method that does this well is rooted in ancient practices of rite of passage. Used to be, before the modern age, there were, in pretty much every culture, forms of initiation that brought, for example, children into adulthood. But not only then. There were initiations, there were passages, there were rituals for all kinds of passages throughout life. And these kind of ancient processes are the closest that I've found to really embracing deeply what it means to be a human being and what it means to act as a human being. And I think that in the wisdom of those ancient practices, if we need to modernize those to help us today confront the changes that we face. What do you think?